Colin here with Max Tie Downs to talk about our WOHAB pack. What is WOHAB? It's a Weld-On Axle Housing Bracket, followed up with the word pack, much like our signature Super, Ultra, and Pro packs that you're used to seeing over the years. We introduced this laser cut Weld-On Axle Housing Bracket a few months back. It's been a great success, so we decided to combine it into kit form. What does that kit consist of, you ask? 4 of our 10,000 pound capacity ratchet assemblies, 4 strap wraps to roll up the excess webbing or the entire assembly for storage. Storage takes place in our signature duffel bag, and you receive 4 of these laser cut out of tube steel brackets, which are designed to accept our twisted snap hook with ease and eliminate the need for an axle strap. So if any of you have battled real estate availability on the axle housing due to bracketry, brake line routing, ABS sensors, vent tubes, and countless other things, this may be just the solution for you. For more information, 800-666-1586, or give us a call. We actually staff the phone lines. You can talk to the same person twice even here at Max. Love to help you out with your tie down needs.